Hey guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. We are once again on the Magento app, and on this video we're going to be covering your store content and how to create pages and blocks. So first off, we're going to go down here on the left hand side on content and create a page. So first we're going to go over here and add a new page. These are the pages that I already have on my website, so we're just going to add a new one. First, you would select a page title. I'm just going to put tutorial. Over here, you would select your heading, your content heading, and the main content on your page. So I'm just going to put and after you select a heading, you can start editing your content. Over here on this little editor, you could add a widget. You can also insert a variable. You can link something over here. You can insert a link. You can insert anchors, images, and we also have a HTML editor if you guys want to edit anything over here or embed some coding. You can also add videos, and there's a bunch of other listings that you can do. For example, if you guys wanted to link something or link a video, you guys could write your text, select it, and link it over here. You guys can choose a link, do all that. Once you guys set your content, you guys would go to search engine optimization, and here is where you select your URL key. For example, I'm just going to do tutorial. This is where you show on your URL, your meta title, your keywords, and also your description. So I'm just going to do tutorial as always. Over here, you can add some keywords. And you can also do a description. Remember that this description has to be a meta description, so it's a shortened description. And after you guys done this, you guys can go on page and websites, and this is where you would select where your store would view this page at. And you can select all store views or default if you wanted this to be the default store view. I'm just going to select all store views and go straight to design. Design, you can add a layout, or you can also add the layout update XML. Over here, I'm just going to select one column for my page, and you could edit the layout update XML over here. Next up, we also have custom design update. If you want to update your design, you can select the date that you want to update. You can select the new theme, and you can also select your new layout. For example, Magento blank, Magento Luma, or your new layout if you want to change from one column to 2 columns. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do that right now. We're going to actually go back to over here to search engine optimization. We're going to just delete this little thing over here, and we're going to go ahead and save once you guys edited your page. As you guys do so, your page will be found over here with its ID, your column, your layout, and all of this when it was created. And this is how you guys create a page. Next up, we're going to create a block, or the CMS blocks. I'm going to go and click it, and this is where you'll find all of your blocks. You can add a new block over here. We're going to do so. And here's where you set a block title. You can also set an identifier for your block. This will make it easier to know which block you are using. And over here we have basically the same editor as the pages. You guys seen this before. You guys can insert a variable. You guys can insert a widget. You guys can do links, anchors, images, HTML editors over here also. You guys can cut. You guys can copy and do all that as you guys desire. Once you guys edited this and put everything that you want on your new block, you guys can go ahead and save your block. Once you guys save it, it will show over here, just like this one. if you guys wanted to edit your block after, you guys can go ahead and come over here and click on edit. You'll see all information of your block, for example, your block title, your identifier, and also the information that you have on your block. This is how you create pages and blocks. And after you guys done that, always remember to come over here, cache management, and always clean your cache. You're going to select all, click submit. And once you guys click submit and save all your changes, your cache should be updated with all your changes going live to your website and all your pages and blocks working perfectly fine. This is it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.